Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today I'm going to be showing you my lifestyle favorites for 2018. So as you know, last week I posted my best of beauty for 2018, so this is not going to have beauty related stuff. This is going to be everything else. Things like skincare, body care, clothing, and home decor. Some other miscellaneous things, but basically that. And I'm pretty much going to try to keep it in that order throughout the video, so it's pretty much easy to follow and you can skip parts you don't want to see and see the parts you do want to see, or see it all. It's all going to be good, trust. But anyways, without further ado, let's just jump in because I don't want this to be all day till Sunday. So I'm going to start with body favorites. So the first things first is body soap. I really like soft soap, and one of my favorite flavors is the citrus splash and berry one, but they have a lot of different berry flavors, and those are the ones that I tend to like the most because I like fruity sweet smells. Another thing that I love is the Jerkin's moisturizer for wet skin. So this is just an in-shower moisturizer and it's super easy. You're already in there, so you might as well do this too. Basically just slather it on after you're done your shower, and then you just towel dry it off and you're pretty much good to go. But if you need a little extra hydration, then I usually use the Johnson's moisturizer. So this one's the one for basically babies and newborns. But I like the way this one feels because it doesn't feel like slippy and like greasy like a lot of moisturizers tend to. And I really enjoy this, and it looks very hydrating, so what can you go wrong? So as far as tools for in the shower, I really like loofahs. I honestly just use the ones from the dollar store. They work just fine, like this. And then for my face, I like using a face brush for when I use my face cleaning products, obviously. And this one is from the Beauty Spot. I picked this one up at Winners. I like the ones that are more manual, and I definitely find that you get much better clean using these. So now to move on to the face. As far as removing makeup, I love the Merida cleansing wipes. You get these ones from the dollar store as well, and I always stock up when I'm running low. I just buy like 10 packs or 15 packs just so I have lots on hand. These ones are really saturated with the cleanser and they feel really refreshing. If I decide to go in with like a cotton pad, I like to use the Garnier Skinactive line. This one is the waterproof one. They have one that has a pink cap. That one's not waterproof, and I really like both of them. They both do a great job at removing makeup really fast, really easy. As far as cleaning the skin goes, I like to use the Biore Charcoal Acne Cleanser. Because I use that facial brush, I don't really need like intense scrubs, so I just use this as my exfoliant. And then as my more lightweight cleanser, I like to use the Hydra Boost one from Neutrogena. This one is really refreshing. It feels really nice on the skin. So let's kind of move on to facial mist. This I actually forgot to include in my best of beauty, the face mist I use for setting my makeup. So I'm going to include these here so you guys can see. So the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist, I really like this. It has a really nice just continuous mist. And it really helps make the makeup look beautiful and set all those powders in. As far as longevity goes, I really like the Milani Make It Last setting spray. It's this little one right here. And honestly, it just helps my makeup to last really long and look really beautiful as well. This last mist is not a mix-up face mist. This one is the Vitamin Wake Up Mist by Pixi. This one is very refreshing. So in the morning, I don't really do a full-on skin routine. I do something more simplified. If I do anything at all, most in the days it's just water on the face and out the door. But for the days when I actually do have time and want to put in some more effort, I will use this. So this is just a really refreshing, like kind of like toner spray, and it has orange blossom and citrus, and this honestly just wakes up the skin. Oh, I actually do have one more face mist as far as makeup goes. This one is the e.l.f. Glow Face Mist. One, the packaging is beautiful, but the product itself is really great too. If you want a very dewy look, I would highly recommend using this. Makes your face look really wet and glistening, that Victoria Model Secret kind of look. And it smells like coconut, so bonus if you love coconuts. So next for mask, I have my two favorites. One is the e.l.f. Hydrating Mask. So this one is a bubble mask. You put it on and it suds up and turns into literal bubbles on the face. It's really cool to see, but it's also really hydrating. Your skin feels like it's taken a drink of water. And the other one I love is the L'Oreal Pure Clay Mask, specifically the red one. This one is the clarifying and smoothing mask, and anytime I use this, the next day or two, I can see that my skin is really clear. It really does smooth up the skin. I've never seen a mask work so well as this. And then whenever it comes to applying my mask, I like using the e.l.f. masking tool. So it has this brush side, which honestly I never use. I like this side. It's kind of like a spatula, and it's super easy to smooth on the mask and get a really nice even layer. For toner, I love the Pixi toner. This is their Glow Tonic. It is a peeling toner, so it kind of helps to refresh the skin, get rid of old dead skin cells, and make room for all the new ones. And this has 5% glycolic acid, so if you like glycolic acid, this one's really nice. For serums, I like to use the Glyco serum. This one is by Jouviane, and this is also another peeling product, so again, it helps to clear old dead skin cells and make room for new ones. And then another serum that I use a lot, this one is really great for the winter because again, it's very hydrating, and that is the Neutrogena Hydra Boost Multivitamin Booster. It has these little beads in it. I really don't know what the beads do, but I know every time I use it, it makes my skin feel really hydrated. The Mint Pear Rosehip Night Serum, this is like my favorite skincare product because when I introduced this into my skincare routine, I noticed my skin looked way clearer, way smoother, way nicer, and this does a pricey little penny, but it works so well, and you only have to use so little product that it does last a really long time, so I think it's pretty worth it. As far as eye creams go, I like the one from e.l.f. This is the Illuminating Eye Cream. I find you get like a decent amount of product in here, and it works really well, and the price is right, so you can't really go wrong. Moisturizer is the Garnier Skinactive Moisturizer, and this one's just very hydrating. What can I say? It just does its job very well. I also like the Neutrogena Gel Cream Moisturizer. That one's very lightweight, but also very hydrating. I'm actually out of it, so I'm just going to show a picture right here. If I have more acne popping up, like specific spots, I will go in with my Clerasil Rapid Action Vanishing Treatment Cream, and I basically just spot treat with this, and you kind of don't want to rub it in, you want to let it like kind of visible, and you just sleep with it, and it just helps to reduce the acne, and that's what we all want. And then lastly for skincare is lip products. So I have two lip balms that I really like. So for the days when I want something lighter, I like to use the Quay one. So this is a lip balm and a lip scrub. I don't really use the lip scrub that much. It's not something that I find that I need, but I really like the lip balm in this. And this one is a more pricier of a penny. This one is the Lano Lips Ointment 101. This one is so thick and hydrating. Like if you put this on, you're going to be feeling it for the next few hours, and it's really going to deeply hydrate the lips because it has a lot of natural products in it that just help really mimic natural skin oils. So as far as sunglasses go, I have more than these two pairs, but I mostly want to just talk about the brand. So I like to get all of my sunglasses from Miniso. They make these really nice big sunglasses. They have so many different styles, and they all look super, super cute. These are just two of the pairs that I have. I know they're both aviators, but the other pair that I had that look really unique broke. I was like, what? But honestly, I really do love these sunglasses, and I think they look really cute. Miniso. My favorite candles come from Bath and Body Works. So some of my favorite flavors are the Cinnamon Caramel Swirl. These candles are so strong, you can smell them through the jar even when they're not lit and they have their lid on. And I also like Mary Cookie, as you can tell. I like things that smell like lattes and like cookies and baked goods. They have one called Bread, and I really want to try that one too. Or baguette or something. But anyways, these candles are really nice, but I would highly recommend not buying them if they're not on sale, because these things are like $24 a piece. And I know there's a few times a year where they go for half price, so just wait till there's a sale, because even I cannot justify buying a candle for 24 bucks. Last in miscellaneous is my mirror, and every time I use it on camera it makes the lighting go down for some reason. But this is just one of those two-way mirrors. I got it from Walmart, so one side's very magnified and zoomed in, and the other side is just normal. It's a very tall mirror, and because I am a tall person, it's nice to have a tall mirror, because then I'm not like having to like crouch as much, and I already have bad posture, so why do anything to add to that? And it's just like a nice silver mirror, and I just love it. It's very heavy too, so it's there. Oh, I actually have a little bonus product. This is from Walmart as well. This is one of those like pop socket phone thingies. It was $3, and you just stick it on the back of your phone, and then you can just hold your phone like this, but you can also just prop it up, so when you want to watch shows like YouTube videos and stuff, you got it right there. First, for clothing, I have my robes. So all my robes come from Lavena Rose, and they make these softest, plushest, nicest robes. These, I'm going to show you my 3 favorites. And yeah, 3 robes is a lot to have. I know, I have a problem. Next up is my inside out dress from Old Navy. It's not supposed to be inside out. Don't worry, I will show you it the right way on, but it pretty much looks the same. And it's just like a simple gray t-shirt dress, and you can basically pair it with anything. You can pair it with a cardigan, you can pair it with a leather jacket, a jean jacket. It's just one of those really simple basic statement pieces that, not statement, basic staple pieces that you can't go wrong with. Up next, I have an Old Navy cardigan. So this is like a very light gray color, almost looks white on camera, and it's nice and long. It hits like right below the booty and it has some pockets, which are always convenient, because for some reason companies think that ladies do not like pockets, or like pockets that are just for show, which are just absolutely useless. Another sweater I've been loving is from Forever 21. It's just this oversized gray knit sweater. It has a really big opening, so you can wear it like one shoulder, no shoulder, show a little bit of skin, be a little conserved, and I really like it. I have been wearing this to death since I got it. I got this one in the plus size section because I really want like a very big sweater, so whenever I want an oversized sweater I always size up a couple sizes. And then lastly is my jean jacket, and this is just a very basic jean jacket. There's no rips, there's not like a lot of variance in color. It's just a really classic jean jacket, and I got this from Winners, and I wear it all the time because it has really great movement. Like, you know how you wear some jackets and it feels like you can't move your arm to do anything? Not with this one. I feel super liberal. I don't even know what the word is. Mobile? Mobile? I can basically move my arms is what I'm trying to say. And I just really love this jean jacket, and I wear it all the time. And that basically completes this video, guys. I was going to show my bags that I use all the time, but I pretty much wore them to death and I'm in need of new bags, so I'm not going to show those. But yeah, these were my lifestyle favorites for 2018. Let me know what your favorite thing was of 2018 that you use for home decor, clothing, skincare, body care. Let me know what it is in the comments below. And if you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe. I upload new videos every Monday and Thursday, and I would love to see you guys back next time. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!